Okay, today I'm going to be talking about embedding icons into message boxes. So right now I already created a program here that is basically it's just a text box with the button and a list box with the list of grocery stuff. When I type in the item into the text box, it's going to look for it in the list box, and that's it. It's going to highlight the item. So for example, it says soap down here. So if I type in soap and click check, it's going to highlight the item. But now what we want is a message box to display if the item is found or not found. So let's just go to the check button, double click on that, and go to the code mode. Now as you can see here, I declared a variable of an int called index, and it's just it's basically telling that variable to hold the value of the index of where that item is located in the list box. So if lamp is the 6th item, the value of index is 6. But if there's no item found, then it's going to be less than 0 because the index starts at 0, just like an array. In C++, where you have an array, all the boxes start at 0, not at 1. So let's create a conditional statement now. Say if index is greater than, let's say greater than -1, we'll have a message box showing, let's just type in found because the value has been found already. Let's run the program. So if I were to type in bread and hit check, I get a window here that says found. But now what I really want is to embed a logo, such as an information icon or something, and buttons like OK or cancel. So the way we do that is inside a message box, you could have strings, a string that displays something inside the window and a string that displays the title of that window. So for example, when I type in found here, you saw that found was displayed inside the window of that pop-up. Now we need, if we put a comma and type in something found, you're going to see that when I run the program and find an item, it's going to be the title of that window. So bread, check, as you can see here, something found, I spelled it wrong, but something found is the title of that message box. Let's fix this. Something found. Alright, so how do we embed logos in here? All you have to do is, after you set the title of your message box, put a comma and type in message box dot, whoops, hang on, message box, let's do buttons dot, we'll do OK and cancel. So now when the window pops up, it's going to have an option to click OK or cancel. And now for the icon, just type in message box icon. You'll get IntelliSense here, message box icon, and let's just say information. So now when I run the program, I can type in soap, and then I get a window that says found with the icon, as you can see here. And now I could just click OK or cancel, either or, doesn't matter. Now if something is not found, we're basically going to do the opposite. So we'll say if index is less than 0, say message box dot show, we'll say not found, we'll call the title of that pop-up window not found again. Say message box buttons dot okay cancel, and for our icon we'll just select stop. We'll see what that is right now. Okay, so now if we run the program and I type in something that's not in the list box, like if I type in cars, I get a window here. It says not found with an X, and I can just click OK or cancel. Okay, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching.